Welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna do like a time lapse of cutting and sewing these 3 bags. These are 3 of my favorite quick clear vinyl projects to make. So the Sailor Moon print is from Dulce, and the pre-order is open April 13th through 28th. There's a bunch of other cool prints, and it's not all clear vinyl, but look how cute this Sailor Moon print is. Love it. So making the clear peekaboo, a clear Midnight Kiss pouch. The peekaboo is from More Me Know. The Midnight Kiss pouch is from Sincerely Jen Patterns. And then this little zipper pouch is just a quick little tutorial that Lauren Mormino from Mormino did. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you like this kind of style. It was just something I thought would be fun. I've already done these bags on lives, and I have videos for these too. So I thought, let's just do a time lapse. Anyways, enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, so here I am cutting these out. I'm cutting the main pieces for the peekaboo, the Midnight Kiss, and the little pouch. So the Midnight Kiss and the peekaboo, I have templates, and then for the little pouch, I'm cutting 8 by 6 inch pieces and then 2 by 8 inch pieces. Pretty sure that's right. And then I cut a little pink zipper tab for the Midnight Kiss, and then my yellow side pieces for the peekaboo. And then I picked out some zipper tape for them. And then here we go. Here's the sewing. Although I feel very awkward doing this, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm putting the zipper tabs on the zippers, and then I had to grab some vinyl and cut a tab for that yellow vinyl because I forgot about it. But just sewing those all on there. And then the accent for the zipper pouch, I'm clipping those on, and I'm clipping the sides of the peekaboo to the main pieces. And then I'm going to batch sew all of those pieces on. I think I did 3/8 of an inch for all of those. And I think I meant to do a 1/4 of an inch on those accent pieces for the little pouch. Then we're going through and we're top stitching. I love batch sewing. It's my favorite. Even if I'm not making the same pattern, I decided I'd just use the same color thread for all of these and go with it. And then sewing on my name tags. When I do clear vinyl, I like to just backstitch and singe my threads. That way I don't have like the knots on the back because you can feel them. Not a big deal, but just a preference. All right, so now that those are on, we're going to go ahead and put all of our zippers on. When I do clear vinyl makes with the when I do the clear vinyl makes, I like to put my zipper on at a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and then I'll fold it open and just top stitch it. It's pretty easy. I definitely enjoy it. So for the Midnight Kiss, once you've got that zipper on, you're just going to sew your straight edges, box your corners, and then you get to turn it and you're done with it. I love making clear Midnight Kiss pouches. They're so cute. I listed all 3 of these items after I made them that day, and they all 3 sold within a couple hours. I was super excited. Ugh, I love the hot pink zipper next to that neon yellow vinyl. Love it. So good. So same thing with this pouch. You just put the zipper on the same way, and then I clip, and then mark 1-inch squares, trim those, and then box the corners. And then you can turn that one after you do that, and you're done with that one. It's really easy. I like the little accent. It just brings a little something extra to it. And it's just squares, rectangles, whatever you want to call them. And then same with the peekaboos. I have a whole video for clear peekaboos. I have a whole regular video for clear Midnight Kiss pouches. And then the other pouch with the little accent at the top is a video that Lauren Mormino did. I think I mentioned that in the first clip, but it's okay. I'll tell you again. So we're just top stitching our zipper, And once we do that, we're just going to match up all our sides, same as the other two. So your straight edges, box your corners, and then you get to turn it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed listening to me and my commentary. I think I'm going to go with the first go of this. I'm not going to redo it. So this is like raw and real.